What's up guys, this is Roy from Tech That Matters. In this video I will be telling you about how you can still read the WhatsApp related messages. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So guys, in this phone I will be sending a message to another phone which is offline now, and here you can see that. So let me delete this message, and now let's move on to the another phone, I mean the receiver phone, and here you can see the notification pop up also, and as well as you can see this deleted message. You first need to have this application already installed in your phone, and you have to grant permission to access your notifications, because this app reads all the notification which you get onto your phone, and now you can see it here. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys like the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day and peace out.